On your mark, get set, go!
I basically have to crawl on my hand, so my hand get weak.
Keep going. Pass the court.
It was way terrible. I can't pretend with that one. I did awfully terrible. Me, remember Gavin no light either, you know? And me, as a female, me have accessories to carry, where him not have. So me have extra parts for my body where me have to tag along with. Plus Gavin foot, remember say, I don't like Andre where him top heavy and nuts. So Gavin foot them in big from up at the beard come down. So by the time he hold Gavin foot, me I feel hug it kite start sweat. And by the time we reach, I hear him and say, all right, we're going. And I go across the finish line, I say, I couldn't even see the cone one at a time. The way I just have the foot a focus to hold the foot, because them start to slip out. And him just depend push sweet pepper, him not understand, because I don't really do good with the pushing.
Remember, both team members have to pass the cone.
Master Brian showed me the technique how to lift my leg. I try to lift up on her leg, but I tell you, heavy.
The day before me go to doctor, my pressure did well high. So when Jason lift up my foot and my head down, start to get dizzy.
It's bad. I can't describe. Like, I never lift up nothing ever said I'm alive. And if I should move the furniture around in my house, I would have me alone, so I have to take my time and do it. But Andre, double times that, like God no, I feel like me that have body come down. I swear to God. But boy, if you guys say do it, I shall try my hardest.
Come on, teams, come on! Come on, teams!
It was obvious that he would have challenges lifting her legs. So I showed him how to lift it properly so he can hold it so she can go for longer periods of time. We even spoke about if she stop, rest a little bit, then go again. And that is why our strategy was having her hold his leg first so we could get a big start and then have her come in the second part.
When you're under pressure, I tell you, your hand them weak, you can't hold her like how you, it's right. I walk me the one walk past her. Leave her ground and just walk past her because she don't motivate me and say come. She go like say she light. She not light. Malika heavy like a cow.
Let's go. Let's go. Come again. Stop talking and go.
When Mrs. Sweet Pepper dey at my elbow and Jason lift up my foot, Mrs. Satan stand up in front of me with him fork. I say I must make the headline tomorrow morning.
She doesn't hold back about how she feels, you know. Hence the Wolverine name. It was interesting.
I try my best. I try.
Look how much I get kicked off of the show. Because Devla tell me to do him something. I'm a bend over me a ball saying can't manage my leg. I say, brother, lift up my leg them. I can't manage. I can't.
Blue team is coming.
Yeah. She just now motivate me. And say, instead of she say, yes man, you can push, you can do it. She say, I can't be the same, give up, I can't be the same. She heavy. And that me need to explain to her, say, you need to encourage your teammate instead of cuss your teammate. Because if you continue to cuss me, you will walk past her.
I got about 3/4 of the course through, and then poor Kerry was there behind me, struggling with mostly 200 pounds of weight, trying to lift up, and me there trying to push through the sand. I mean, at one point in time, I'm sure she was trying hard to push, but you know what it's like pushing 300 pounds through sand. It just doesn't work.
I'm not sorry for them. I swear I'm not sorry for them. because when the end of the challenge finish, and them have for them big check sector, and I smile, me the one side I cry like them. Me not sorry for them. Them are too drama. That's all I can say. Them figure star comedian show.
The wheelbarrow challenge, it takes a lot of upper body strength. And as you know, sweet pepper is over 300 pounds. And it's not easy to hold up your own body weight for so long period of time.
My teammate, she was telling me that she gave me everything she had, but there was a point where she caught up my life and she was right beside, and she just had to make maybe like 10 more little crawls, and I'm saying just give me those 10 little crawls and then you can spread out after. Let's just get this.
If they had passed us, they deserve it, because my team stopped and started to quarrel.
Come on, blue team.
Listen, it's not about you, it's about a team effort. The best way to do it, that is what is going to win.
Members have to pass
We talk about strategy, and I told Jason how to lift my like a leg, but Jason, how should I put it now? He listen, but him not here. He gets excited with the challenges, and sometimes I have to steady him and make him understand that this is what you need to do. This is strategy, and not because you think that you're smaller and you're quicker means that somebody else won't beat you.
Instruction, we don't need to listen to what I say. But you're not listening.
For the first time, it meant a lot for me to win the challenge. So I was kind of shouting at them.
Tell me, I listen, so I bring him good. The man I bring me like, oh, but like I'm the man and my girl.
I mean, it's the challenge, and it equates to life. You know what I'm saying? You can't stop for everything that disturbs you. You can't stop for everything that gets in your way. You have to find a way around it.
Kerry was like, Audrey, I can't lift him. I'm like, Kerry, you have to try. Just keep lifting. Just keep doing it. And Andre just could not move. Andre just can't manage his body weight.
At one point, she told me her face and her eyelash was in the ground, you know? But I was just like, yo, get there any which way you can get there, any which way. I just wanted her to get there.
So yellow team, your forfeit, you give up?
When Kerry carried Andre to the top and she reached the cone, I saw her look up and she said a small prayer, like she was thanking God, you know, for small mercies.
With Kerry trying to lift Andre at first, I think by the time it gets to her turn, it was a disaster.
After when me done dead in the middle, resuscitate, reach at my end, I don't know them, so I flick my roll, I don't know, I have to go watch it myself because I don't know what I do, but I just know I land over. I pass out for one good 5 minutes. Then I was under a bottle of water, so you know me, I breathing and take my little time. I take one another 5 minutes down there so that at 10 minutes gone, you know. When I come to lift up, I hear them and say, push Kerry. I say, what? Because I think Kerry done come in a long time. When I look them there at the starting line, I say,
when it come on to the reverse paddle, it's like I never have nothing left.
I'm going to say Andre the back and him the and Kerry. Nah, move. I'm going to say, I never laugh that time because I feel the pain, you know, man. Because if you don't have the extra something for really push on this, they can't move, you know.
Me I eat sand. Me I do everything. My breast them I move, me I go up like, boy. Like, me not tell no lie. That did rough.
Come on! One more, just one more push.
Me see the cone, but me not reach.
Just 2 more pushes, Kerry, come on.
At that point in time, I saw Kerry dead on the ground, can't move. So I literally got up and I sort of gently tossed her over to the side.
Me land on the camera. Why? I never know. Everything did done. Like, me did dead. I died.
She made it. She decided that she's not giving up and she fight all the way through.
Somebody get this lady water. Cameraman, I jumped off.